Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video we have completed algae questions of entire previous years for TU. Which one of the following statement is true about zoospore and aplanospores? Obviously answer is zoospores are flagellate while aplanospores are non-flagellate. Next, phycocyanin and phycoerythrin are characteristics of. It is a characteristics of blue-green algae, which is Cyanophyceae. Next, in Chlorophyceae, the pyrenoid is generally embedded in cell wall, chloroplast, cytoplasm or nucleus. We will go to this diagram. Here we can see the pyrenoid inside, it is present inside the chloroplast. So our answer will be it is embedded in the chloroplast. Next, Carpogonium is A. Male reproductive structure, B. Asexual reproductive body, C. Embryo-like structure, D. Female reproductive structure. Carpogonium present in Rhodophyta, it is a female reproductive structure. Next, Hormogonia are means of vegetative multiplication in Cyanophyceae, sexual reproduction in Chlorophyceae, sexual reproduction in Phaeophyceae, asexual reproduction in Xanthophyceae. Here is a diagram. Hormogonia is a vegetative mode of reproduction where vegetative multiplication occurs in Cyanophyceae. So our answer will be 6A. Next, heterocysts are mainly related to A. Photosynthesis, B. Sexual reproduction, nitrogen fixation, mucilage production. Answer will be heterocysts are related to nitrogen fixation, 7C. Next, agar-agar is mainly obtained from Nostoc and Annapina, Gracilaria and Gelidium, Sarcasm and Laminaria, Polysiphonia and Fucus. Among the options, agar-agar is obtained from Gracilaria and Gelidium, 8B. Next, the cell wall in the members of Basilaриophyceae is made of. Cell wall of Basilaриophyceae is made up of, it won't be chitin, it's present in fungi. It won't be cellulose, which is also deposits of sodium. No. Basilaриophyceae will be number D. Pectic substances richly reinforced with deposits of silica. 9D. Our next question. Cephalurose is A. an endophytic alga, a parasitic alga, a freshwater alga, a lithophytic alga. Cephalurose, it is a genus of parasitic thalloid green algae comprising approximately 14 species, and its common name is red rust. So Cephalurose is a parasitic alga, 9B. Next question. Sargasso-Sea is named after a. Sargasso-Sea is named after Sargassum, which is a brown algae. Next, astaxanthin is obtained from Haematococcus, Ectocarpus, Dunaliella, Syndesmus. Astaxanthin is the pigment is obtained from Haematococcus. Next, which of the following algae is responsible for red color of the Red Sea? A common question. It will be number B, Trichodesmium erythraeum. Next question. Lotacarrageenan is produced by A. Eushiuma cottoni, Eushiuma spinosum, Gigardiana acilaris, or all of the above. Lotacarrageenan is produced by Eushiuma spinosum. Our answer will be 8B. Identify the correct pair of epiphytic alga and its host from the list given below. From the list given below, A. Coleochaete, Nitillarum, lemma. Well, lemma won't be that, but this one is right. 93, number B, Chaetonyma, and it's a epiphytic alga. Well, the answer will be number 93B, that is Chaetonyma, which is the epiphytic alga, and its host is Batrachosperma. Next question, 94. Identify the odd one from the list given below. Nostoc, Calothrix, Tolipothrix, and Eulothrix. Among these four, Nostoc, Calothrix, and Tolipothrix are the Cyanophyceae, whereas Eulothrix is a Chlorophyceae. Next, in blue-green algae, photosynthesis occurs in chromoplast, chloroplast, chromatophores, photosynthetic lamellae. Well, this blue-green algae is very primitive, therefore it does not have any membrane inside a cell. So it will be a photosynthetic region, and therefore the answer will be a photosynthetic lamellae present right on the protoplast. Next, Pandorina is A. motile colony, B. non-motile colony, C. palmelloid colony, D. dendroid colony. Pandorina is a very common freshwater alga which is green in color, and it is motile and multicellular algae, and all these colonies present inside the Pandorina are spherical in shape. So our answer will be number A, motile colony. Next question. The middle layer in the original wall of Fucalian algae is known as Cecolith, Stromatolite, Holocolith, Mesocyte. When middle layer, if you see, the prefix of a middle layer is meso. So clearly our answer will be number D, Mesocyte. Whereas stromatolite is a layer which is formed by layer to layer deposition or the growth of cyanobacteria. So that is stromatolite. Our answer will be 72D, Mesocyte. Next, which of the following describes alginic acid? Alginic acid is found in the cell walls of brown algae. It is a water-soluble sulfate polysaccharide characterized by the presence of sulfate esters and L-fucose. Our answer is 73B. Next, epipellic algae are those which inhabit. What are epipellic algae? Epipellic algae is obviously defined because of its habitat. They grow in mud. So our answer will be 74D. Next question. In Floridian rhodophytes, a cell that affects transfer of the zygotic nucleus from the fertilized carposporangium to the cell that ultimately forms carposporophyte is known as A. fusion cell, B. connecting cell, C. auxiliary cell, D. hypogynous cell. From the algal rhodophytes anatomy, we will see that the zygotic nucleus, we will just refer to this diagram here. The zygotic nucleus once formed, now when has to be transferred into the carposporangium, it is transferred through these gonymoblast filaments. These gonymoblast filaments are composed of auxiliary cell. So our answer is 75C, auxiliary cell. Next question. Hormogonia are. What is hormogonia? They are motile filaments formed by some cyanobacteria in order, and nostocyls and stignimetals. So our answer will be 1, that is multicellular fragments of filament, which serves in vegetative reproduction of some blue-green algae. Next, which one of the following features of Anthoceros indicates its algal ancestry? 1. Single chloroplast with a pyanoid in its cell. symbiotic association with nostoc, presence of slime pores, and presence of stomata in the capsule wall. Well, algal ancestry, the very characteristic of algae is the presence of pyrenoid. So our answer is number 1, single chloroplast with a pyrenoid in each cell. Next, which one of the following heterotrichous algae grows on rocks or bark? Heterotrichous is a differentiated thallus, and our answer is Trentifolia polea. So it is found growing in the rocks or barks. So hope you guys liked our video. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you.